Revision 3. Page number 60. A. Circle the prepositions in these sentences. There are 6 sentences in this question. We have to circle the prepositions. First, there is water in the nest. So, the preposition is in. Water is in the pot. Second, the cap seller sleeps under the tree. The cap seller sleeps under the tree. Under is the preposition. Third, there is a big park behind my house. Big park behind my house. Behind is the preposition. Fourth, there are shops between my house and the beach. Between my house and the beach. Between is the preposition. Fifth, there is a painting on the wall. Painting on the wall. On is the correct preposition here. Sixth, Tulika hid behind the door. Hid behind the door. Behind is the correct preposition in this sentence. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. There are options given in the bracket in the yellow box. You have to choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. First, my little brother hides dash the curtains. Little brother hides behind the curtain. Second, the spoon fell dash the table. The spoon fell under the table. That is below the table. Towards the downward direction of the table. Third, the cat sat dash the branch of the tree. The cat sat on the branch of the tree. Fourth, there is a duck dash the pond. There is a duck in the pond. Fifth, there is a table dash the 2 sofas. There are 2 sofas and the table is between the 2 sofas. Between the 2 sofas. C. Put and in the correct places and rewrite the sentences. This question is related to our last chapter, that is conjunctions. Joining words are called conjunctions. First, these pencils, erasers are mine. So the correct sentence will be, these pencils and erasers are mine. Second, I carry my bottle to school every day. I carry my bag and bottle to school every day. Third, whales, sharks live in the sea. Whales and sharks live in the sea. Fourth, we light diyas, candles on Diwali. So the correct sentence will be, we light diyas and candles on Diwali. Fifth, I love singing, dancing. The correct sentence will be, after adding and. I love singing and dancing. Singing and dancing are 2 different hobbies. Sixth, the cubs, the lioness are playing in the jungle. The correct sentence will be, the cubs and the lioness are playing in the jungle. Coming to the last question. D. Match the words in the columns. This question is also related with our chapter conjunctions. First, what is the pair of a pencil, dear children? Pencil and pen. Second, bread, bread and butter. Third, day, day and night. Fourth, needle, needle and thread. Fifth, uncle, uncle and aunt or auntie we can call. Sixth, door and window, door and window. Seventh, son and father, son and father. So this was our matching the columns. So with the last question, we are done with our revision 3. This was the last revision exercise and the last video of this subject, that is English grammar. I hope you all enjoyed learning this subject. This is a very interesting subject, dear children. So let us recall the chapters that which we have learned about in this online video classes. Unit 1. There were 4 chapters in this unit: the alphabet, sentences, nouns and verbs. Along with this, there was a worksheet exercise, worksheet 1, and revision exercise, revision 1. Then in the second unit, there were 3 chapters: Chapter 5, articles; 6th, pronouns; 7th, adjectives, followed by worksheet 2 and revision 2. And the last unit, Unit 3, Chapter 8, prepositions, and 9th, conjunctions. Last worksheet, worksheet 3, and last revision, revision 3. So in all, we have covered 9 chapters. Total 9 chapters in this subject.